Tucked away in the heart of Australia is one of the most beautiful tiny homes we've ever seen. Meet the Gunyah, a luxurious, handcrafted tiny house that combines warmth, functionality, and minimalist elegance in every square foot.
From the outside, the Gunyah impresses with its warm timber cladding, clean lines, and large windows. Built by Hauslein, this 28-foot home on wheels is designed to be legally towable yet feels nothing like a trailer.
Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cozy living space flooded with natural light. The natural pine walls create a warm and earthy atmosphere, while the layout feels open and breathable. Above, the sleeping loft fits a queen-size mattress and includes windows on both sides for cross-ventilation and stargazing.
The kitchen is compact but beautifully functional. It features a gas cooktop, a full oven, deep sink, and plenty of prep space. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or a full dinner, this space supports real living, not just weekend getaways.
The bathroom includes a composting or flushing toilet, a full-size shower, and the option for a washer-dryer combo. It's rare to find a tiny house bathroom that feels this spacious and polished.
The Gunyah also comes with optional off-grid upgrades, solar, water tanks, and insulation rated R3 for year-round comfort. This makes it ideal for full-time living, no matter where your journey takes you. Beautiful, functional, and thoughtfully designed, the Gunyah is proof that small spaces can offer big comfort. Could you see yourself living here?
Let us know your favorite feature in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another tiny house tour.